Bain-marie. Bain-marie. A bain-marie keeps food warm without burning it. Barbecue grill. Barbecue grill. We cook meat on the barbecue grill during parties. Broiler. Broiler. The broiler is used to roast or brown food. Burner. Burner. I turned off the burner after cooking. Butane stove. Butane stove. We use a butane stove for outdoor cooking. Chimney hood. Chimney hood. The chimney hood removes smoke from the kitchen. Crock-pot. Crock-pot. The soup cooks slowly in the crock-pot. Deep fryer. Deep fryer. We fry potatoes in the deep fryer. Egg boiler. Egg boiler. The egg boiler makes perfect boiled eggs. Food steamer. Food steamer. Vegetables stay healthy when cooked in a food steamer. Gas stove. Gas stove. I made tea on the gas stove. Grill pan. Grill pan. The grill pan makes nice grill marks on chicken. Hot plate. Hot plate. We use a hot plate for heating food. Juicer. Juicer. She made fresh orange juice with the juicer. Kebab skewer. Kebab skewer. We cooked kebabs on metal skewers. Masher. Masher. Use a masher to crush the potatoes. Meat tenderizer. Meat tenderizer. The meat tenderizer softens tough meat. Milk frother. Milk frother. The milk frother makes creamy coffee foam. Pizza stone. Pizza stone. The pizza stone helps bake crispy pizzas. Pressure pan. Pressure pan. Rice cooks fast in the pressure pan. Sauce pot. Sauce pot. He is stirring the soup in the sauce pot. Sauté pan. Sauté pan. Vegetables cook quickly in a sauté pan. Skimmer. Skimmer. Use a skimmer to remove foam from the soup. Spice jar. Spice jar. All spices are stored in the spice jar. Sugar dispenser. Sugar dispenser. He poured sugar from the sugar dispenser. Tea infuser. Tea infuser. The tea infuser holds loose tea leaves. Thermos. Thermos. Hot tea stays warm in the thermos. Water filter. Water filter. We drink clean water from the water filter. Wok spatula. Wok spatula. The wok spatula helps in stir-frying vegetables. Apple corer. Apple corer. Use the apple corer to remove the apple's center. Avocado slicer. Avocado slicer. She used an avocado slicer for perfect slices. Bottle stopper. Bottle stopper. Close the wine bottle with a stopper. Butter knife. Butter knife. Spread butter with a butter knife. Cake server. Cake server. He served the cake using a cake server. Candy thermometer. Candy thermometer. A candy thermometer checks the sugar temperature. Cherry pitter. Cherry pitter. Use a cherry pitter to remove cherry seeds. Citrus juicer. Citrus juicer. The citrus juicer makes fresh lemon juice. Cookie cutter. Cookie cutter. Kids love cutting dough with cookie cutters. Corn peeler. Corn peeler. The corn peeler removes kernels easily. Egg timer. Egg timer. Set the egg timer for 5 minutes. Fish scaler. Fish scaler. Use the fish scaler to clean fish skin. Gravy boat. Gravy boat. He poured sauce from the gravy boat. Herb scissors. Herb scissors. Cut fresh herbs with herb scissors. Ice cream scoop. Ice cream scoop. The ice cream scoop makes round balls of ice cream. Jar opener. Jar opener. Use a jar opener to twist tight lids. Mandolin slicer. Mandolin slicer. The mandolin slicer cuts vegetables evenly. Meat grinder. Meat grinder. We made mince using the meat grinder. Oil dispenser. Oil dispenser. Pour cooking oil from the oil dispenser. Olive pitter. Olive pitter. Use the olive pitter to remove olive seeds. Pan brush. Pan brush. Clean dirty pans with a pan brush. Pastry bag. Pastry bag. He decorated the cake with a pastry bag. Pastry cutter. Pastry cutter. The pastry cutter divides dough easily. Pea sheller. Pea sheller. The pea sheller removes peas from pods. Pie dish. Pie dish. She baked an apple pie in the pie dish. Potato ricer. Potato ricer. A potato ricer makes smooth mashed potatoes. Rolling mat. Rolling mat. We rolled sushi on the rolling mat. Salad tongs. Salad tongs. Use salad tongs to serve fresh salad. Sifter. Sifter. The sifter removes lumps from flour. Skewer rack. Skewer rack. The skewer rack holds kebabs while grilling. Spaghetti server. Spaghetti server. The spaghetti server helps lift long noodles. Splatter screen. Splatter screen. Use a splatter screen to stop oil splashes. Splatter screen. Splatter screen. Use a splatter screen to stop oil splashes.